ambassador for Orangutan Alliance. I'm here today with the Earthlove subscription box and my wonderful mother.
Hi! I'm here to open the Earthlove subscription box along with Jack. This Earthlove box is partnered with Orangutan Alliance, and they have come up with 10 eco-friendly and palm oil-free, yay,
Woohoo!
products. Jack,
Ready
you want to help me? Let's do it together.
Let's go.
Woo! All right, let's pull out one of these items, Jack. Let's see. I'm going to start with one, okay?
This is cool packaging. I believe it's recycled.
I don't know what this is yet. I'm guessing soap. Even better than soap. We haven't yet, so piece by piece, our family has been trying to get rid of palm oil. Coming up soon, we are going to need a home cleaner, and that's what this is, Jack.
Oh, that's so cool. I don't think I've ever seen a home cleaner with a bar.
It's
Cool.
plant-based and plastic-free. Next item is from New Body. It's a regenerating facial serum. Oh, I'm digging all the way to the bottom because I see something that makes me happy. What always makes me so happy? It's about a simple guide to natural health.
It's a 2020 calendar of the moons.
So also we know our song.
These are the
Phases of the moon.
Those
These
are the
phases of
phases.
the moon. What's the crescent? Waning gibbous. I don't know all the rest, but I know it's something like this.
Maple top.
Maple, toffee, elements, truffles.
Woo-hoo!
This isn't gonna last past tonight. But I see this next item and I'm super, super excited. From Mare Boomy, it's a beautiful necklace
Ooh.
made in India.
And that'll look so nice on you. And check out this print.
Love the print. I actually think the print is
It
beautiful.
goes perfect on her and she's going to love it.
I honestly am not sure which one of these items is my favorite.
Yeah.
I keep going in and I keep finding chocolate and
I feel
books and
I feel-
necklaces. This is right up my alley, and I know Valentine's Day is coming up. Believe me, guys, it's up a lot of girls' alleys. Let's see who it's from. Mima.
Nima.
And go ahead and open that.
So for you kids in the audience, you'll know when you go to school, you see the lunch ladies, and they're always wearing these. Like they put in forks, knives, spoons, napkins, and it's great for when you're cooking.
These are things everyone is gonna use. What an awesome box.
Yeah.
I'm really
Yeah.
pumped about this, Jack,
And
actually.
oop, we almost missed the last
Ooh,
thing.
a Late Cosmetics sheer lipstick. Do I look vivacious?
Yes, you do.
Live better, love the earth. Earthlove. Portions of the proceeds made from this subscription box will be donated to environmental non-for-profit Orangutan Alliance to support their work in planting forests in Sumatra, as well as orangutan rescue, rehabilitation, and release.
To get your own Earthlove box today, you can head over to earthlove.co. And to learn more about Orangutan Alliance, visit orangutanalliance.org today before the winter box is gone.